Hey guys, Andy with COR Surf here with our Island Hopper travel bundle. So this is new for 2024. This is actually our 40 liter, which just came out. And the reason we created this is because having such a big backpack, the weight can get really heavy on your shoulders when you're walking through the airport or you have long days hiking. So we added a really nice padded waist belt. It's got zippers on both sides, so if you need to put like credit cards in here or something, you can. Another thing we added on both of our backpacks for 2024 is YKK zippers, which are the best zippers you can get. And it's actually not just the normal YKK zippers you see on other premium backpacks, but these are water resistant YKK zippers. So really a premium feature. The outside is TPU. It is water resistant, so if you get caught out in the rain, you should be okay for a little while with this nice shell and the water resistant zippers. Okay, so let me show you everything that comes with the travel bundle. So this is the 28 liter right here. This one will fit nice under the plane, under the seat in front of you on the plane. And what comes in the travel bundle is you get, first off, you get the Island Hopper travel backpack, of course. And then you also get a set of compression packing cubes. So you get a large size, and these compress down, and you get a smaller size. You can see right here. So you get this, plus you also get a laundry bag to separate your dirty clothes, or you can also use this as a shoe bag if you want to put your shoes in here so the bottom of your shoes don't get everything dirty. You can do that as well. So the other thing that it comes with is our toiletry bag. So this is a really nice toiletry bag. It's got water resistant zippers, and then it also opens up. You can see that to have all your toiletries inside. So the nice thing about this is it also comes with a little buckle, so you can hang this up and have everything you need right there in the shower. And the outside is water resistant. And like I said, it's got water resistant zippers. It's got this pocket here, and then it's got another pocket here. So you can put, your toothbrush, keep your shaving stuff over here. Whatever you need to keep separate, you can keep separate. Plus, you can keep all your bottles and lotions and everything in here. So it's really nice. And, a lot of people have been messaging us, and they've actually been using this as like electronics, keeping their chargers and everything organized as well. So, yeah, this is kind of a multifunctional toiletry bag. But you can see there's still lots of room. There's a top pocket here as well. You can see I've got our fanny pack in it. So there's a lot of, that's a big top pocket, and it's got a zipper on the inside. You can put, headphones, electronics, chargers, snacks. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. It's got a key strap. And so everything comes the same with the 40 liter. So if you get this travel bundle, you're going to have even more room left over once you've used these packing cubes. So we do have packing cube listing that you can also buy more compression packing cubes if you want. But you can see there's still lots of room in here with the 40 liter. So you can pack this thing really full, and you can go somewhere for a very long time. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's everything that comes in the Island Hopper travel bundle. Check it out. Thanks.